Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with this washing machine which slowly leaks water into the drum when not in use, and I'm going to show you how you can easily and cheaply, like a couple of dollars max, repair this washer yourself. Now this washing machine does need to be repaired as the water is always leaking into the tub, and as a result it starts to smell after a few days. Additionally, it would eventually get to the point where it would flood. But instead of paying a tradesperson several $100s to come out and just look at it, why don't you give it a go yourself, just like I did? The reality is there are inlet valves directly on the inlet where the hoses connect to the water supply. In this case, it is just a cold connection, but on many machines there are both hot and cold. Today we are going to clean this valve. But first things first, let's shut off the water to the inlet hoses. A tradesperson will tell you that the valves are simply worn out. However, in my experience, I have found that in many cases the existing valves are perfectly fine, albeit mineral or calcium buildup on the inlet valves, and this is super easy to rectify. So to solve this issue, you simply pour your favourite demineralising solution down the line. Remove the inlet hose from the wall tap. Now, importantly, we do need to drain the water out of the inlet hose into a bucket. This step is very important as we want to get the concentrate demineralising solution right down onto the valve. Then shift the machine to a position such that you can hold the inlet such that gravity will allow the solution to flow down the hose. Then, using a funnel, pour about half a cup of the demineralising solution into the hose. In this case, I am using CLR, partly because it's a great product, but mainly because I already had a bottle in the shed. Now, hold up the hose in the air so that solution will sit on the valve for at least a minute. Then, reconnect the hoses and run a couple of hot cycles through the washing machine to flush all of the demineralising solution out of the machine. Well, it's been about a week now since I had this issue with this front loader washing machine, and what I can tell you is the problem is 100% resolved. So I would estimate that I've saved around $250 versus if I'd called out a repairman to fix this issue. So that's it, folks. That's how to fix your leaking inlet valves on your washing machine cheaply and easily yourself in under 15 minutes. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.